We all know that there was lockdown because of coronavirus infection.
No one can go outside during the lockdown. Only parents can go outside.
Children cannot go to school or go for shopping or go for playing.
There were lot of challenges during the lockdown.
Today we will see the challenges faced by the kids and their parents during the lockdown.
Please watch the video till the end.
I hope you will enjoy this video.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Good morning. I should do. We cannot go school. We cannot go for playing. We cannot go outside. When this lockdown will end? I am so bored.
Come, my dear son, sit here. I will tell you what to do. See, there is danger outside and the virus is spreading in the city. So, they are stopping us to go out. They are stopping us to go to school. We have to stay in home and we have to engage in such activities which you like the most and you wanted to do since very long time. Which activity do you like? You please tell me.
To play video games and I like to do drawings.
But see, my kid, if you will keep on playing the video games, your eyes will be spoiled and you will have dark circles under your eyes. So, you can watch TV, you can play games, you can make drawings, but first you have to make a timetable.
Yes, I should watch this. I will show you how to watch this. I will show you how you can make a model of Alex and
My dear son, what are you doing?
I am watching TV.
But the distance is very less. Please come and sit in the sofa set. My dear son, what are you doing?
I am seeing my tab.
But playing the tablet like this very close to your eyes will spoil your eyes, you understand? Check your timetable. What is the activity now?
Oh, okay. Oh, it is time for watching TV. Now let's watch the TV. Dad, you are scolding me and watching tablet?
Oh, but I am a big person. I have come from the duty, so I can watch it. It's my mobile time.
I can also watch now. I am also a big kid now. I am not a small kid now.
But my son, your eyes are very small and you have to keep safe your eyes. Otherwise, how you will do other things?
Then you also keep your eyes safe.
Okay, I will not watch the mobile. We will do another activity.
See my drawing, Dad.
Wow, it's very nice. My dear son, you have drawn a very nice drawing. My dear son Daksh, these are fruits and this is milk for your good health. Have it.
Ew! I don't want fruits and milk. Yuck! 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 I want junk food. I don't like fruits and milk.
No, my dear son, this milk is for your good bones and good health. It will make your body very strong and you can fight with the virus. And these fruits also have the property of protecting food. You study in the EVS. This is the food you wanted to eat.
Wow! So nice.
But you have to eat both the things and we have to reduce the junk food.
Okay, it's so yummy. Yummy. I don't like this too. I like this.
Daksh, my son, you are eating this junk food and you are not eating that healthy food. What happened? Why you are doing like this?
We cannot go for playing, so that's why I am eating my favorite things.
It is okay, you are eating the favorite things, but you should not eat it in excess. If you eat more, you will get fat, you will get sick. It is not good for your health.
What I should do in this lockdown?
You can play in the house with your sister, you can watch television, you can play video games, you can eat healthy food what your mom cooks in the kitchen. You know what is this?
Orange.
An orange is rich in vitamin C. Which vitamin?
Rich vitamin C.
Yes.
Wait,
And
let me-
vitamin C will fight with the coronavirus.
Because he has a sword.
Yes. This is a red apple, which another apple is green apple. Both are very good for. So from today, you promise me that you will eat more healthy food and less junk food.
Okay, I'm promising that today onwards I will eat more healthy food and little junk food.
Okay.
Dad, I want to go washroom. Now I am fresh. Now I will never eat junk food. I will eat every day. I will eat every day healthy food. Dad, thank you so much.
Okay, no problem.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning children.
Good morning, ma'am.
ऑनलाइन क्लास से रेडी हो?
हाँ,
कल मैंने हिंदी में दावत पढ़ाया था,
हाँ,
याद है सारे बच्चों को?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
चलो किताब हिंदी का निकालो तो बच्चों,
ठीक.
दावत का लेसन खोलो, पाठ.
खोल दिया.
ताज,
है
तुम
ना?
भी खोलो बुक.
मैंने खोल ही दिया.
दावत पाठ पढ़ो तो बेटा.
तारा और
दक्ष बोलो. क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो? तुम्हारी सिस्टर तो देख रही पीछे दिखाई दे रही मुझे. ये बुद्धू बना रहे हो? पता चल गया मुझे.
सॉरी मैम, सॉरी मैम, सॉरी मैम,
तुम्हारी कंप्लेन करती हूँ.
सॉरी सॉरी मैम, नहीं मैम, नहीं मैम, नहीं
चलो बोलो कुछ.
मैम, नहीं मैम, नहीं.
चलो बोलो कुछ. आज नहीं आती हिंदी तो सीखो.
I should do. Yeah, that's good.
Daksh, what are you doing? You may fall down. This is not correct way. You can fall down.
How?
Slowly come down. You play with your tricycle. What are you doing? This is very dangerous.
So
If you fall down, you will hit yourself.
Why you bring this?
This is for your elder, your sister Divya, not for you. You are very small. Go and play with your cycle.
Okay. Yay! 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 No! Ow!
Careful, drive slowly. Come.
Ow! It's paining so much. Ow! Ow!
Show me what happened. Oh, this is the small wound. Don't worry. I'll make this tape. This band-aid I will put and it will be fine, okay?
Okay.
And be careful in the house. When you are playing in the house, you have to play slowly. It's not a park, it's not a ground, it is our house. There are many things. Okay, if you hurt yourself, we have to go hospital. And going hospital is not good. This is corona time. Okay?
Okay.
Be careful.
Okay. Now I should be slowly.
Okay, you can play like this.
Dad, my wound is healing.
Hi Daksh,
Yes,
I've come from the bath. Have you taken the bath after your online classes?
I am going to take my bath. I'm good.
Okay, you go. I have already taken the bath.
Dad, I have also come from bath. What I should do now?
Now you should play chess with your sister. It will make your brain sharp.
Okay, I will play chess. It's your chance. Do it.
Yes. Oh, you're cheating. Yes, Dad. I won.
You're doing cheating. You're doing
No.
cheating. You're doing.
No.
She's doing cheating. Huh?
No.
No, kids, don't do like this. No fighting, no fighting, please. No fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting.
Dad, he's doing cheating.
No. Don't play like this.
No,
And
I won.
if you will play, one will lose, one will win. You have to respect. Daksh, you are small now. You are young than her. Then you have to learn this game. And one day she will lose from you, and you will be the winner. Okay?
Okay. मम्मा आज खाने में क्या बन रहा है?
आज मैं खाने में भिंडी बना रही हूँ।
भिंडी भिंडी मुझे नहीं खानी भिंडी नहीं खानी मुझे नहीं खानी मुझे नहीं खानी।
आज भिंडी खा लो, अभी शाम को चना पूरी खिलाऊंगी। ओके, चना
है।
पूरी और हलवा अभी खा लोगे ना, मैं भिंडी रोटी ठीक है, अभी खा लो।
Dad, what you are doing?
I am watching Aaj Tak News.
You are watching news? Give me. I want to watch Little Otter Dash. I want to see Little Otter. Yeah, this.
Daksh, you
What?
can watch this video afterwards also, but news I cannot watch again. So
Why?
let me see the news. We should know what is happening in the world. Otherwise, we will be in deep well. We don't know anything.
But I want also to watch this.
You can always watch this because this is a recorded video and you can learn all these things after the news also. Let me watch for 15 minutes.
Okay, Dad.
Thank you.
Yes, Dad.
Have you finished your homework?
No, Dad. I am writing my homework.
Finish your homework, drink some water, go to toilet, wash your hands, change your clothes and go for sleeping. It's 11 p.m. now.
Okay, Dad. Good night. Have sweet dreams.